Today I'm making a really simple smoked mackerel pate. I've got a pack of mackerel fillets here, plain, no additions, no parsley or anything like that, just plain mackerel. A teaspoonful of horseradish, a lemon for squeezing, and 2 good tablespoonfuls of low-fat yoghurt. Now, it's a very oily fish, is mackerel, and it can be rich. Now, the low-fat yoghurt actually calms it down a little bit and makes it less fatty. So the first thing I have to do is take off the skin from the mackerel and pick out as many bones as I can find. I've picked over the mackerel now and it's all in the jug. I've taken as many bones out as I could find, so I'm going to add in the horseradish, that gives it a nice kick, the yoghurt, which takes away some of the fattiness, and a squeeze of lemon, taking care not to let pips in. You can always add more lemon later if you think it needs it. So I'm just going to roughly blend this with a stick blender to get it to a coarse pate. So there you go, smoked mackerel pate, absolutely delicious and good enough for any dinner party. Can't wait to tuck in. See you later, bye.